Guys, it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, I think I got one of a kind for you today. I got a 1989 Land Rover Defender 110 made by ECD, automotive design, awesome vehicle right here. Kind of a truck, SUV hybrid, but it's really cool. Lots of options on this car, finished in beautiful gray, and we're going to take a look at it. But if you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1989 Land Rover Defender 110 made by ECD, automotive design. Absolutely one-of-a-kind car right here. And we're going to take a look at it. I'm going to go over some of the main things. And one of the biggest things on this truck right here is it has the Cummins R2.8 diesel with 161 horsepower, 5-speed manual transmission. It's finished in the Bonatti gray with a gloss finish. It's got the BFGoodRich all-terrain tires and wheels on it. Just absolutely gorgeous. Heated and vented Elite M2K heated and vented seats. Very cool. It's got Apple CarPlay, a JBL subwoofer, backup camera, power door locks. I mean, it just goes on and on and on and on this car right here. But we're going to take a look at it. Like I said, it is absolutely one-of-a-kind car. Something you could take out in the woods and go hunting in, or just drive it around to the car show and have a one-of-one kind of car. So we'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. All the interior is absolutely gorgeous, finished beautifully. Like I said, it's got heated and cooled seats in this. 5-speed manual transmission. Awesome console. Has a storage down there to keep your pistol if you'd like. Very nice. Comfortable seats. I mean, just absolutely amazing. The way this works, I believe, ECD, what they do is they take a donor car, Land Rover 1989 Defender, and they completely redo the car. It's all new. Frame, underneath, paint, interior, everything, motor, transmission. I mean, they don't skip an expense on this right here. And it is one of a kind and absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. We'll take a look at the other back seat here. It's got lots of room in it, but really cool. You could take the kids to school in this. I don't know if that would work or not, but it'd be certainly pretty cool. So, shut the door here. I'll show you this right here. It's got boxes on each side of the cab. This side here is your emergency kit, which is really cool. Really neat. So, it's got lots of storage boxes on this. It's got the rack up top. You could store or put your stuff to go camping. But really just a neat thing. Like I said, it is a ECD automotive design Land Rover Defender 110 from England. So it's really neat. Let me open up the back here for you. On the back, it's got another storage box right there. Those are the two boxes there. Pretty cool. Got a little ladder to climb up to the roof if you needed to. So we're going to shut the door here. It does have the spare tire on the back as well. But we're going to start it up and I'll show you how it sounds. Got a great diesel engine in it. Really sounds good. If I can get the microphone back in. But on this side here, it's got another storage box there. It's got a box here. It has AR clips to keep your guns in there if you would like. Really cool. Shut this here. But very neat. Show you the back seat on this side. Like I said, it's got little skylights in there as well. cut it off here. But all just really, I mean, just really, really cool. And it does have 7,000 miles on it since the restoration on the car by ECD. It's got 7,000 miles since the restoration of the ECD. But we'll shut the door here. We'll take underneath the a look underneath the hood. Like I said, it's got that Cummins diesel engine in the car, air conditioning, heat, power steering, power disc brakes. I mean, just absolutely one-of-a-kind car right here. Really, really nice and clean. There's the Land Rover tag. Composite, take a look at that. We're going to shut the hood here. We'll take one more quick look at the 1989 Land Rover Defender made by ECD. If you have any questions on this truck or car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this Land Rover Defender for a test drive and see how it does. We're going to take this 1989 Land Rover Defender 110 made by ECD for a test drive and see how it does. Absolutely beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars and Land Rovers, evidently, but we're going to take this one for a drive and see how it does. Now, I can't wait for you to see the underneath of this video. Very custom done, very, very nice, and craftsmanship on this build is A1, and we're going to show you what it looks like underneath. We'll show you that after the test drive here. But we're going to turn around and take it for a drive and see how it does. Here we go. Does have the 5-speed manual transmission in it with that Cummins diesel engine, which is really, really cool. All brand new and shifts great. Runs and drives really good. Like I said, shifts through all the gears the right way. No rattles or shakes in the truck. Just really, really does good. Smooth out on the road. And cooled seats right there. Power door locks. You just don't get much cooler than this right here. But we're going to turn around and head back here. And like I do every time, I'll have Dad get on it just a little bit. We'll see if we can't blow some black smoke with this diesel right here.
Yes, sir. I feel like I'm on a safari.
Yeah, might be. As soon as the traffic lets up for us, we'll be ready to go. Well, I think they opened up the floodgates on us here, Dad. All right, let's blow some smoke here, Dad. Yeah, it's really, really cool.
Awesome. Whenever you roll up in this, you're going to be one of a kind and impressive.
For sure, Dad. We are almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Or on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on anything that we have for sale. We're going to show you what this truck looks like underneath. And here's that underneath video right now.